Hi everybody, I came on, this is Carla. I have a haul to show you, but I wanted to come on right now and get this posted because there is a special on Amazon for these Mayspring micas. Unbelievable. Each one of these boxes has 100 grams, which is the same as two of these because these are 50 grams. So this box has two of these, this one has two, so this is equal to four of these. You know, these are like $14.99 each, so that's $60 worth of stuff, and I paid $24 for these on Amazon because they're having a special. And this right now I'm going to show you because I'm so excited because this one I've already had before, the gemstone collection. And I'm going to put the link for you guys. So like there's 10 packages of color in each one of these. This is not sponsored. Just click on my link and then I get, you know, like this costs $23. I get like 20-30 cents. So, but look at these beautiful colors. You've seen most of these because I work with these a lot. The white chalcedony and rose quartz, violet crystal, purple amethyst, silver druzy, green pyromorphite, you know, it's one of my faves, shiny malachite, golden labradorite, and my absolute favorite brownish color ever, bronze stone. So let me show you those. And then this one I've never had before and I'm ultra excited. This is the two-tone collection, and oh my gosh, mermaid dust, which is gorgeous. This is like sea colors, tropical blue, Pacific blue, the white pearl, which is what they recommend for the waves in the beach things, royal gold, peach gold, wine red, charcoal black. I love anything dark with no wavy oh never mind pure copper, and olive gold. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link, and it's for these two boxes. They probably have other specials if you want to buy the containers, but this is so amazing. You're gonna get 200 grams, which is literally four of these different colors. These last forever. They come in those little packages, but those are actually big packages. And I wrote it down on here. You probably can't see this. They're on sale for $29.95. They're usually $19.99 each. These are. Okay, so the normal price, if you go get this on Amazon, is $19.95. They've got a special bundle that I found where you get both of these for $29.95. Then for right now, they have a button underneath it. If you click a 20% discount, they take another $6 off. So you're, for $24.95, you're getting 200 grams of powder, which, like I said before, this is how you can understand how much that is. It's so much. This is 50 grams, and this lasts forever. But yeah, 50 grams. So it's four of these for $24.95. Unbelievable. So I'll put that in for you. I also have a haul from the Dollar Tree. I just want to hurry up and get these out. So they just put out all their spring stuff, and this is not resin stuff, but look how cute these are. Look how cute these towels are, and they're not the kind that stick to your hands too bad. You know, like a lot of the towels now, when they stick to your hands, if your hands get dry, they do that a little bit. I prefer cotton, but these are still so cute. And they had these, which are, can you see that? They're iridescent. I love it, I love it, I love it. Yeah, I got one for when I'm feeling calm and cool, and one for when I'm feeling spicy. Okay, I just wanted to show you this. Let me show you some more stuff I got. I kind of got a lot. And I don't think I'll show you it today. Oh, I just got myself a new pair of scissors because I just beat the hell out of my scissors. I got this, which is says it's a felt bulletin board, but this is the same board that they sell on Temu for doing felting crafts, needle felting, which real fast I want to show you this. I got this at Walmart for $10, which Temu I noticed has these for way under 10. But I want to do this. I want to start doing some needle felting. And so when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, okay, it's the exact same thing that I saw. So I'm going to be doing this. If you guys want to watch me try to do it, keep your eyes posted. So I got the felt board that'll go with it. I'll put that right up there with it. I got a lot. Okay, I got some more stickers to do, you know, coasters or whatever. These are the ones that I used for those Tats and talks. Sorry, I gotta get my mouth working right. So I made one coaster with these and it was adorable. And so I want to make a full set. And then I found these, which are complimentary. Hope you can see these. Yeah. And y'all know the thing, $1.25. And I thought these were really cute. And these also match that, but they're like books. Oh, they're really cute. And then this one I love, because I love anything like this with a globe. Honest, I am so sober, it's not even funny. I haven't been smoking, eating gummies. Oh, I don't smoke anyway. But I haven't been eating gummies. I don't drink, so I'm just tongue-tied right now for some reason. Probably because I'm trying to hurry, because I want to just do this and post it. I don't want to have to edit it or anything. So this is really super cute. That globe and that stopwatch. All this is so like steampunky. So steampunky. I'm going to sneeze. Let me put the bag over here so I don't have to keep turning around. I got my cats a thing of sardines because I'm worried about the treats. Too many people I know, their cats are dying. The only thing I can figure out everybody has in common is everybody feeds their cats now those new squeezy things and the treats that are from Sri Lanka and China. And I don't know, something's killing our cats. So that's why I'm going to try sardines as their treats. This is a piece of wallpaper that they had there. They have all different kinds of styles. I always thought they were placemats, but I guess they could be. Anyway, if I take these like this, I could make a coaster, like you get it, like that, and then I have one I could make like that, and then one like that, right? So I'd get 4 coasters out of this because there's 4 birds on here. And yeah, got that. So try that. I got this to put in a big old tray because I think it's awesome. Wait, now that I'm holding the bag, it's trying to take over my show. Hey, so look how cute this is. This welcome sign. I could take 10 seconds to take it out of here to show you. Because I have a pretty good sized tray that I think this would be great in. And I am going to be moving, so it'll be great to have something cute to hang on the door. I'll tell you all about it all later when it's for sure, because I tell you guys, oh, this is happening and I have to leave, blah, 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 and then I'm still here. But I do literally have to be out of here by this May 31st. Time's out. Time's up. Where am I going? Oh, and my favorite thing in the whole world, dark chocolate Raisinets. Okay, I thought I bought a lot more, but I guess I didn't. I showed you, I guess I'm talking really fast. Yeah, no, I just bought batteries and jasmine rice. It's already cooked. That's one thing I love about Dollar Tree. Absolutely love. the noodles that are in the package that are already cooked, and you pop them in the microwave with the top open. Oh my gosh, those are so easy because I don't cook for myself because it's just me. I don't have a big enough refrigerator for leftovers. Not right now, but I'm gonna have my own little kitchen again. Yeah. Cross your fingers. Pray for me, pray for me, pray for me. Okay, guys, that was it. I just really wanted to show you this because today is April. It's the Tuesday after Easter, so it's April 22nd. I just checked with Amazon, and this is still on sale. So I'm going to post this. I'm going to post the link for this because this is amazing. I already know the gemstone collection. I am in love with every single one of these colors, every single one of them. They're so beautiful, especially when you put them together, like you layer them. Oh my gosh. And I'm so excited about these. So if you've used Mayspring, you know how wonderful they are. And again, I'm not getting paid for this. I just love Mayspring. And you also know that they're not cheap, but they're very, very, very high quality. And man, this is such a good deal. Such a good deal. Because you literally would pay $14.95 for each one of these. That's $60. Say they have the 20% off, that's $48. And you're getting the same amount as 4 of these for $24. If you use, they're on sale right now, $10 off plus another 20%. Oh my God, that's crazy. Crazy. So I had to get on here. I'm stopping right now so you can check the link and get some for yourself while there's still the 20% and $10 off. It's crazy. It's crazy, I tell you. It's crazy. I love you. I'll be back soon. I'm working on another video that I'll probably post tomorrow. I just had to do this. Okay. See y'all. Love you, love you, love you. Be kind, be nice, and most of all, no matter what you do or don't do, do it with passion. Okay, I love you. Bye. Okay, where's the thing to turn it off?